goes down a bit. Yeah. Not a fan of the feel of heated grips. They change the diameter of the handlebars and you they feel a little bit chunky. But I tell you what, on a cold day, bloody magic. My hands would be suffering right now. Yeah, quite lovely in there, isn't it? Not much water in the river. You want to see it when it's been raining. That thing's just churning. You've had a big rain. Quite calm down there at the moment. But yeah, there you have it. The Karangahake Gorge. We'll sign off for now, and we'll get a couple more episodes in a bit later on when we get up to the Coromandel Peninsula. Yeah, signing off.